viewers, and welcome to the Pistol Iron Workshop and our Q&A special. Right, surprisingly, some of you did get in touch, and we've got a few questions.
Quite a few, actually.
Yeah, quite a few of you did ask similar questions, so we're just going to like incorporate them into one answer sort of thing. We're not going to go through
names.
Yeah, and stuff like that because otherwise
Can't be asked.
Yeah,
I mean, there's too many.
Yes, there's too many. We'll be sat here for
Hours.
forever, and that'll just get a bit tedious for you. So let's kick this thing off. I've got them written down, so I've selected the best few. Why did you start the channel? Well, basically, it was a laugh. If you go back and you can see how the first video was, it was the shot with a handheld phone. It was very unprofessional. It lasted about 30 seconds, and it was just because we've seen these channels on YouTube, and we thought, how hard could it be?
Yeah, give it a go.
So we did. So that's how it started. No real reason after that. We're not trying to make money or make friends. We're just kind of making laughs.
Yeah.
So, right.
Was that it? Fucking hell, didn't get many, did we?
Do you still have the terror? Good question. Yes, we do.
Yes.
There will be new videos coming very soon.
Very
for that.
soon.
Yes. And you can
Lots
see,
of progress.
Yes, yes, see all our
Due to
progress.
lockdown, woofing.
Yes. Also, new parts from my international friends.
Why aren't you wearing your crash helmet? Oh, for
I can put my crash
Don't worry
helmet
about it now. Too late now. You fucking started the video. You might carry on. They're going to notice otherwise.
I could cut it. That look weird. Well, I should go through different hats. I could dig the beret. Yeah. On the subject of the terror, can either of you speak French?
Petite.
Yeah. No.
No.
Not really. We know a couple of words and that's about it.
Rude ones.
Yeah, and they're not to be used in front of real French people.
No.
Right. Do you only work on motorcycles?
Good question.
Well, currently, if you look on the channel, yes, we have only done motorcycles, but we are into a lot of mechanical stuff.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. We've got the lathe in the background, and we do have some other little bits that might not be motorcycle related that you might be interested in. On the subject of related, are you related?
To what?
Us.
Oh,
Are we
yeah.
related?
No,
No.
definitely not.
No.
We're not twins, I don't know if you've noticed. You know, no one like me. I'm the one with the brains.
Yeah. Let's see what else we've got here.
Was that it? That was easy.
No, that's, well, yeah, that is.
Well, that's the end of that Q&A. Kids, thanks for like and subscribe. Check out the Facebook.
There's more, don't panic. Haribo or wine gums?
Wine gums.
Yeah.
Defo.
I think I'd go Haribo.
No. Nah. Too, you know, farty, isn't they? Yeah, you want proper wine
No,
gums.
I know, but you can get, and I do like a wine gum, but...
And the wine gums have to be fresh, because I don't like them when they've gone rock hard.
Yeah. A bit hard work, yeah.
Yeah.
Will we see the monkey soon?
Is that a...
No, the monkey bite. It's not
Oh, right, yes.
euphemism.
Oh, right, yeah. I was going to say, that's not fair, because that's nasty.
No.
Yes, the video, the monkey bite, should be, we have to have a word with the editor here, because he's the one that deals in all the filming and...
But he is the
production.
owner of said monkey. So
No, not.
Yes, that will be featured in the Small Bike Saga sessions. No, Small Bike Sessions. Can't remember what it's called now. Yeah. Stay tuned.
Well, where did it say that?
It's a playlist on my YouTube channel.
Oh, right. Oh, you've not put them up yet? No.
No, yeah.
You've lost your track now, haven't you?
Yeah. Would you like a headlight for the SR?
Oh, yes.
Well, there's someone offering one for free. Yes, please.
Yeah, we won't
Well,
say no.
Yeah, we'll send you our details.
Yes.
If you haven't seen the SR videos, we've got one without a front end and it doesn't have headlight. So we do need one.
Contact us through BillyBallswell@hotmail.com.
Ask Billy Bullslow.
Oh, was it?
Yeah,
Well
at
done.
hotmail.com.
No.
Yeah, it was close. Well done.
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well, remember that.
Right. What else is in the shed?
Lots.
Lots. For those of you who are interested, we do have a couple of stationary engines hanging around that you might be featured on the channel
Would
soon.
you like to see a video on them?
Yes. Comment below.
Yes.
For anyone, yeah. Engines with no wheels. Well, fly wheels. Yeah.
What are you on about, flywheels?
Well, they don't have any wheels, but they've got flywheels.
Oh,
Stationary
yes.
wheels.
Oh, right, yeah. Sorry, I was miles away then. I lost it for a second. Senior moment.
Yeah. Have you made anything on the lathe yet? And will we see a video?
Well, yeah, we made a mess.
Yeah, that's basically we made a mess. The new position on the lathe actually makes it easier to work on.
And we've put a new light up above.
Yeah, and we've got a new light. That's why we're driving by that.
Courtesy of one of our sponsors.
Right. Can you take anyone serious that drinks Foster's?
That is a good one.
Oh dear. That's good.
Yes.
Are you sure? I think you can take someone who drinks Foster's more serious than you can someone who drinks Carlin.
Oh, that's better. Yeah. That's a sign of alcoholic, that.
Yeah. Drinking Carlin.
No, paying for it.
Oh, well, yeah, paying for it as
If
well.
you're paying for Carlin, then you've got a problem.
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
We'll keep on the beer theme. How much beer do you drink per episode?
Not enough.
No.
That's my answer.
Yeah. Well, it depends how long the episode is and how many times it's been cut and edited. Because you might see the can in the video might be the same can, but it might be the third can. You never know.
No.
And in between shots.
On the subject of which, you don't know what.
Yeah, go on. Are we going in the fridge?
Yeah. Why it shook it. Right, cheers. No worries.
Right. Do you do this for a living?
What?
What,
YouTube?
drink?
Yeah.
Or YouTube?
I don't know.
No.
No.
If you mean YouTube, definitely not. We don't have the interest. Drinking beer, well, he does practically. Mechanical side of things, yes, we are both trained in that aspect. But yeah,
Who fucking trained you?
well, you. So we've got a bit of experience. Alright. Oh, it's a good one. Did the calf racer take 5 months to build?
Fuck no, can't remember. Drank too much.
Well, that was our ambitious project. We started off with a frame and an engine, and we were building a calf racer in 5 months.
Yeah, only because it was free. Otherwise we wouldn't have done it.
Oh no, we didn't have that target really when we first got the bike, but then the race came up at Lidden.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah,
we
I-
decided, we'll see if we can do it.
Good
I
crack
will-
that was.
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. We were fitting a new regulator.
While it was on the trailer, it was
Yeah,
about
while
to
it was
leave.
on the trailer, the Friday evening of the weekend we were going. That's how tight it was. But the majority of the bike was built in time. But yeah, we were still tinkering on the day.
Did we have a video of that?
Yes, yeah, check it out in the archives.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the bike share page, there's an official one there. Like us, then like them.
Yes.
What camera do you
See him
use?
in it, not me.
What camera do we use?
Yeah.
Currently, it's a Motorola G7 Power.
What's that?
That's my phone.
Oh, right, yeah. Yes.
And before, basically, it's this, we've used our phones.
Yes.
We don't have the budget yet to expand.
No.
With looking into it, I found quite a decent one for a good price. Can you actually ride
You
a
are
bike?
taking this seriously, aren't you?
Yeah, I know. I think, can you actually ride a bike?
Badly.
It depends who you ask.
Yes. And depends on what time of day. Because in the morning, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Technically, yes.
It's a little bit wobbly in the morning.
We do have licenses.
Well, you might.
Right. We're rattling through these. We've done lots of this.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm getting bored now.
What else you got? What's the Kawasaki at the back of the shed?
A Kawasaki.
Well,
there you
currently
go.
it's not at the back of the
You
shed.
answered your own question.
We move round, but that is a GPZ 600. That can be for sale if you're interested.
Yes. And
Contact us, Facebook, YouTube, askbillyballswear@hotmail.com.
yes.
If not, you might see it on the channel in a few months.
Yes. There are ongoing videos of it.
Yeah. Do you watch motorcycle racing? Who is your favourite rider? Do you watch motorcycle? I do.
Yes. Well, yeah, I suppose I do, really, yeah.
Would you like to elaborate on what sort you
What, motorcycle
watch?
watching?
Yeah.
I like the Isle of Man TT better. I don't like this modern shit that's like they're going for just for a ride around the garden.
Well, he likes the road racing. I like the road racing, but I watch the track racing as well. Who's your favourite rider? This can be ever, not currently. or both. It doesn't really matter.
Well, there's only one lot that are any good in the motorcycle racing, and that's the Dunlop family. I rest my case.
Very true.
Yeah.
Strong heritage.
Yes.
The king of the Isle of Man, Joey.
Yep.
Sorry. I appreciate Shaky Burton.
Would you like to
He's
leave?
not racing at the moment, but in the BSB.
Would you like to leave for a minute?
No, you're all right. We're going to kind of wrap this up soon. This is
Sorry.
yeah. And finally, we'll do the final question. I think this is the final question. How do you live? Yeah. And the final question comes from me. What is that smell?
I'm not at liberty to say until I've had a word with my solicitor, and yes, I'll get back to you on that one.
Okay. I think
I might need to wipe that.
I'm going to make a swift
Yes.
exit from the shed now.
Yes.
He's going to run indoors.
And wipe it.
Yep. Thank you for your questions.
Like and
Viewers.
subscribe.
We'll see you again.
Check out Facebook.
Take care.
Yeah.